going back home made me realize something all over again. That you should be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. And I know a certain industry that is very, very fearful right now of one particular company. And we all know who that company is. And I need to stay focused on my own true passions, goals, and accomplishing and investing in the future that I want to see. And Tesla is definitely going to make that future happen. So I'm happy to be back at GigaTexas, ready to see what the future holds. Let's check it out, get the drone out, and fly around GigaTexas. Happy to be back. How's everybody doing out there today? Don't forget to leave a comment, like, early thumbs up always helps. And let's check out what we have in store today. First thing I noticed was the completion of the road leading into GigaTexas. Looks like the traffic is flowing much better now. So as I look back on all my previous drone flights over GigaTexas, looks like I've been flying now for only about 5 to 6 months, but it definitely feels like much longer. It's definitely one of my favorite things to do, and I love getting the drone out. And definitely with this view, you can tell how much larger GigaTexas is becoming, and it is just baffling at the size of this factory. And it definitely seems like it will become a Tesla city of its own. This here is some extra overflow space that Tesla uses right now for what looks like all of their concrete walls that they've been putting up around the building. So what does everyone out there think about the Tesla Model S Plaid event? Me personally, I am so excited about seeing the motor and hearing that Tesla created, again, another piece of equipment, another machine that builds the machine that no other company has. This again shows how far ahead Tesla is and just makes me so much more excited for the Cybertruck. That's why I'm out here as much as I can, getting that footage, waiting for that Cybertruck. I had someone commenting on the live strip thinking that they are making a test track out here by the concrete plant. So I wanted to fly around over here and see if we saw anything, but to me it just looks like more roadways, and who knows what the possibilities of the future could hold for this area of the Gigafactory. But let me know what you think. Do you see any test tracks, or what do you think is going to be going on this large expansion in the backside of GigaTexas? What do you think? Let me know. Throw it down in the comments. Again, I want to thank everyone for watching. I really couldn't do this without you. All your support and watching the video really helps me grow. And again, all of my Patreons, your support is the most important thing that's keeping this YouTube channel growing and keeping me motivated on bringing you up-to-date content. So thanks again to all my Patreon supporters. I want to give you a special shout out. We got Evie Bike Dude, Devin Hunter, Clayton Handelman, David Wheeler, Nira Tilshin, Russell Dixon, Rick Carter, Tyler Schaefer, Rick Thor, David and Sarah Delgado, Butch McIntosh, and my newest Patreon supporter just recently added in, Bob Callahan. Thank all you guys for your support. These are all my top Patreon supporters, and I just want to thank everyone out there for any of the support. And don't forget, the best form of support is simply being here and watching my videos. So thanks again, and I'm just super excited and super stoked to see what the future is going to unfold as Tesla keeps moving us forward. So thanks again, and peace out. For a nicer side of my city, in the beginning of the video, that was where I grew up, right across the street from Coke Refineries, and which is now, I believe, Citgo Refineries and Valero. This is a drone shot over the T-head of the Corpus Christi Bayfront. Here we fly over Ocean Drive and see the multi-million-dollar waterfront properties.